Hello, this is a part of CS50 course project. So in this project I built an AI which are trying to solve some puzzles based on some prepositional logic. So we have a set of knowledge, and based on that knowledge AI try to solve the puzzle. So let's see the problem statement here. So we have the problem statement from the we have the like from the famous book. What is the name of this book? It is a logical puzzle book. So the problem statement is like we have two character, one is knight and other is knave. So knight is always telling the truth and knave is always telling the lie. And apart from this we have also the basic structure that either character is knight or it is a knave, it cannot be both. So let's see how we implemented this into code. So we have to uh, program like puzzle.py and logic.py. Logic.py contain all the logics for the implementation of all the logic, like the and or biconditional implementation. So here is our puzzle. So for example, so these are the just prepositional symbols. So a knight, a knave, b knight, b knave. So these represent as a knight, a is a knight, a knave, a is a knave. So for example, if we are trying to solve the puzzle which says a says I am both a knight and knave. So we, from the structure of the problem, we know that either a is a knight or a is a knave. So these or we also know from the structure of the problem that if a is a knave, it cannot be knight, or if a is a knight, it cannot be knave. So it is an implementation, simply if and then. So from the character statement we come to know this knowledge, like the biconditional a knight say a knight, as we in knowledge we try to tell the truth. So a knight will say we are both and here is and a knight and a knave. So and similarly for puzzle 1 we have a says we are both knaves. So these are from the structure of the problem and these are from the puzzle statement. Similarly for puzzle 2, a says we are both of same kind, b says we are of different kind. So biconditional. So both are of same kind, either both are knight or both are knave, or both are of different kinds, either one a is knight, b is knave, or a is knave, b is knight. Similarly for puzzle 3, so these are from the structure of the problem and these are from the characters. So what are they are saying? So for example, c says a is a knight. So by conditional, c says a is a knight. Similarly b says c is a knave. So b knight says c is a knave. So similarly for for this statement, b says a said I am a knight. So by conditional, again by conditional, b knight, a knight and a knave. So for a says either I am a knight or I am a knave. So similarly, or either it is a knight or it is a knave. So by conditional for these two. So let's see what is the result from this. Okay, so here is the result. So for puzzle 0 we have a is knave, so which is like obvious, clear. And for puzzle 1, a is knave, b is knight. For puzzle 2, a is knave, b is knight. And for puzzle 3 we have a is knight, b is knave and c is knight. So these are the AI will solve this problem based on the knowledge we have. So these are the knowledge from the structure of the problem, and these are the knowledge in the problem statement. So the characters says. So this is all. Thanks.